Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today's my topic is how to find cube and cube root and how to check a given number is a perfect cube or not. Okay, so first I am going to explain with example how to find cube of a given number. Okay, for a given number, when a given number is x, okay, when a given number is x, so how to find cube of x? X is equal to, how to find cube? X multiplied by x multiplied by x, and how many x are there? 1, 2, 3. So we write like this: x to the power 3. Here cube of x is x to the power 3. Okay, and let me explain with number. When we find cube of 2, how to find cube of 2? Given like this: 2 to the power 3. So it means we multiply 2 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So here cube of 2 is 8. Okay. And let me explain with one other example how to find cube of 4. Okay. Again 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. So cube of 4 is 64. Now clear how to find cube of any given number? Okay. And my next topic is how to check a given number is a perfect cube or not. A given number is a perfect cube or not. So a natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural numbers. How? Given, let me explain with example. Your number is 198. So we check. First we find this number. After that we check this number is a perfect cube or not. So in this condition, first we check ones place number. Your ones place number is even or odd. So here ones place number is odd. In this condition, this number is divisible by any odd number. When your ones place number is odd, that means this number is divisible by any odd number, and when ones place number is even, that means that even number is divisible by any even number. And we start from a small odd number. So 3 is the smallest odd number. 1 is also, but 1 is not. 1 is divisible by. After that, we started from 3. 3 6 are 18 and 3 3s are 9. After that, here again 1 place number is odd. That means this number is again divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3 and 3 7s are 21. Okay. That means after that we check this number is a perfect square or not. When? कैसे आपको पता चलेगा कि ये perfect square है? Let's be right over here. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So here 3 1 2 3. How many 3s are there? 3 3s are there. So 3 multiplied 3 to the power 3. That means 3 is a perfect square number. And 7, how many times 7? Only one time. That means 7 is a not perfect cube number. Okay. So that means 189 is a not perfect cube number, because here 7 only 1 7. And how many 7s are left? How many times? कितने times? और यहाँ पे 7 चाहिए होगा. तो ये perfect cube number बनेगा 2 times. Okay, so that means this is a not perfect cube number. Okay, let me explain with another example. 216. We check 216 is a perfect cube number or not. 216 is a perfect cube number or not. So again we apply same process. First we check ones place number. Ones place number is even or odd. So here 6. 6 is a even number. 6 is a even number. In this condition, this number is definitely divisible by 2 because your ones place number is even. जब आपका वंस प्लेस नंबर इवन होगा तो वो नंबर जरूर ही इवन नंबर से डिवाइड होगा. ओके, और जब आपका वंस प्लेस नंबर ऑड होगा सो नंबर जरूर ऑड किसी भी ऑड नंबर से डिवाइड होगा. ओके, सो बेस 2 1 are 2 and 2 6 are 18. Okay, after that here again your ones place number is even. That means 108 is again divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. Okay, and here your ones place number is odd. That means this number is not divisible by 2 because your ones place number is odd. In this condition, this number is divisible by any odd number because your ones place number is odd. So here given 27 and 27 is a odd number. So this number is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27 and here 3 is also a odd number. Sorry, 9 is also odd number. So 9 is divisible by 3. After that, we check this is a perfect cube number or not. So first we write over here 216. 216 and how many 2s are there? 1 2 3 and how many 3s? 1 2 3. Okay, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. That means 2 cube and 3 to the power 3. 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. That means this is a perfect cube number. This is a perfect cube number because here pair is completed. यहाँ पे 2 पे भी 3 पावर है क्यूब है और 3 पे भी क्यूब है. तो जहाँ ऐसी कंडीशन आती है वो नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर होता है. ठीक है, सो योर आंसर इज 6 and that means 6 is a number whose cube is 216. 6 वो नंबर है जिसका क्यूब क्या होगा 216. देखिए कैसे 6. अब जब हम 6 का क्यूब करेंगे तो 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 6 6 are 36 and 36 6 are 216. So 6 is a number whose cube is 216. Okay, and we check it is a perfect cube number or not. It is a perfect cube number because here 8 is a number. 8 is a number whose 2 is a number whose cube is 8. So similarly here 6 is a number whose cube is 216. Okay, hope all are understood. Okay, my topic is completed. So bye students.